Okay, hey guys. In this video, I'm going to try and make a origami Orange Deltarune. One of my favorite flowers from Deltarune. Let's see. Basically, I found this book and it has instructions for a mouse. So yes. I found 2 of these papers. Any square paper should work, but this is a 6x6 paper, if you are following along. I'm gonna try the trial one with this. I don't know what the heck the color choices are, but this is almost orange. There weren't a lot of color options that came with this book, but anyways, you guys see all this? Yeah, probably can't read it, but anyways, it says here that you need to make a goat body to start, and then to start the goat body it says you need to complete the first 5 steps of a Santa puppet. So I guess we're gonna start with Santa. Oh, but then Santa says start with the basic shape. Okay, on page 18. Okay, so I'm gonna walk through this for the first time with you guys. Okay, so it says here. Okay, so it looks like this now. Yeah, already you can see it's not perfect. I'm definitely gonna have to be more careful with the next one and maybe not fold on the top of the book. And it should be, should be able to go both ways and stuff. Cool. Okay, this is the starting shape. Now we can return to Santa. It's not too bad, honestly, as you know what you're doing. Yeah, mine is not looking so good right now. That's why we're doing a test run here. And then this can come back out, so that's definitely what hands, I suppose. Like this. There we go, look at that. I did not even realize. Okay, this is turning into the worst tutorial ever. Yeah, you can see which folds I did horribly. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna kind of smush it there. Hey, this isn't that bad. I'm concealing, at least here you can very much see the problems, but look at that. It doesn't look too bad now. Check it out, guys. This is the preparation just to start the steps for the mouse head, it looks like. But look at that. It already looks great. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me, please. This is gonna be an adventure. Okay. Fold it to the side. How so? Like this? Like this? What do I do? Yeah, change of plans, guys. I think what I'm gonna do, actually, is I'm just gonna make a time-lapse of me finishing this and then practicing on 1 or 2 more, and then I'll show you guys the whole step-by-step of the final one. But I'm gonna need a lot of practice before I'm ready to make a good one, so yeah, enjoy the time-lapse. Yeah, okay, this is the first one. I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 more test ones. Get them actually looking good, and then I'm gonna make a really, really beautiful one and show you guys how to do it and stuff, so yeah.
Okay, here's number 1. I messed up pretty early on, and it looks horrible, but this is number 2. If you ignore the ears, it actually looks really good, I think. And I think I did it perfectly all the way up until this part where you have to make the ears, and I just could not get, I kind of almost got it for a second, but I think I lost it because the ears are really hard. This is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, I almost got it. I think I should do one more practice one. But yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm gonna make a perfect one. Okay, this is 3, right? So here's 1. Looks pretty awful. Attempt number 2. Okay, the ears are looking weird, but the body's looking a lot better. Here, the ears are not perfect, but they are better. They're still not symmetrical at all, but I still think this is good enough for it to still be cute and stuff. So yeah, here they are, but I think I'm gonna do the final one. I think I'm gonna use this for the clothes, this for the skin. It's more yellow than orange. I don't know. I don't even really know. Does orange even wear? Anyways, I'm gonna go for it. Wish me luck. All right. 1, 2, side by side. 3. Okay. And then here is 4. This is what orange is, I guess. This is it. This is the final product. It, you know, I don't really think I got the hang of the ears. I think these ears are better than these ones. But oh well. Yeah. Now I'm gonna try and draw a little face, and it's gonna be really cute. So keep watching.
Yeah, the colors are definitely really bad. This is too brown and this is too yellow.
Of course, using the Napster Blue pen.
Because I'm an Undertale fan. I really don't know what to do. Orange kind of just has like the little headband. I don't know, there's a little tail. I could tape a little tail to the back. That'd be cute. I could try and make it look more like okay, well that just looks really bad. It looks pretty ugly. Maybe I should just get like a red pen. Let's see if this helps. I'm just gonna color the whole face. This is supposed to be the bandana. I feel like not having a mouth is kind of criminal even. I still feel like the eyes should be lower down or something. I think the nose is bigger, like... Well... Okay, I still think it looks really bad, but I think it's a little bit better now. Yeah, the colors are pretty bad. Honestly, I feel like this would have been better. Just a green shirt. I don't know. I don't think any of these colors are really perfect, but I'm kind of happy with this little orange finger puppet. Don't look at this side. But orange. Yeah, thanks for watching this train wreck. Yeah, that's all.